Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show new features in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and this is After Effects version beta. Let me show new feature 3D shape layers. We can see something new here. Let's hold this icon and we can see cube tool, sphere tool, plane, torus cone and cylinder. So right now we can create directly 3D object here. Let's create cube and create like this. Okay, that's all. And we can see properties here. We can control all settings here like this. We can change rotation and opacity. Also mesh options. We can change width and height and depth and smoothing. So bevel options, we can change bevel radius and size. Okay, for compositions option, we can enable cast shadow and other shadow styles and materials. We have base color here. Let's choose base color blue. And roughness, we can place settings here for better material results. And also let's add light and environment image. Go to here, right click, new and light. And I will choose light type environment. Also enable cast shadows, click OK. So I have one XR environment image from Blender folder, and let's drag and drop into composition and hide for now. Choose environment, go to search and choose here sunset image. And now we can control this lighting. Let's open light transform and change light like this. Okay, perfect. So in this time, let's create new plane. Go to new and solid layer. And let's choose color like this. Click OK. Add name plane. And OK. So let's click this icon for turn on 3D layer. If you not see this part, you can click toggle switch modes. And choose plane, press R, open rotation and change X rotation 90 and move it down. So let's go to active camera and choose left view. Choose this cube mesh and let's change rotation 0 and this 0 and move it down. So back to active camera and let's press C. And now we can control 3D scene like this. So let's move to like this and move to back. Choose this plane and change scale like this. And press C, change view. Okay, choose this plane and change size like this. Okay, in this time, let's choose this cube and move it up. We can change size a little bit, scale like this, and move the anchor point down. Let's go to again view left and go to anchor point, move the anchor point down. And back to active camera. Now we can create animation for falling. Choose this cube, press P and create new path in keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes and move it down. Let's back to again left and see here. Let's move it down and go to 10 keyframes. For shortcut you can press hold shift, press page down in keyboard. And let's move it up for bounce. Again, go to 10 keyframes, select this middle keyframe, copy paste. And make keyframes easy or click F9. So let's preview animation. Okay, this is very simple. Let's choose these keyframes, go to graph editor and go to first, second. Choose this first keyframe and move to right for create falling animation. Let's see. Okay, select second keyframe, move to right. And back to keyframes, select these last 3 keyframes, hold Alt and move to left. Nice. And back to active camera. Let's see. And for now, we can go to quarter. Okay, in this time, let's create X and Y rotations and change rotation like this. Go to here and change rotation like this. And make it keyframes easy. Let's see. Okay, and here let's create X rotation keyframe. Go to middle and change rotation like this. Again, go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, copy paste, and make it keyframes easy. And preview animation. Okay, not bad. We can change a little bit this middle keyframe value. Let's choose and change -5. Okay, that's good. So guys, let me show for realistic shadows. Choose this environment light, open inside, and we can see cast shadows, it's off. Let's click here for turn on. And now we can see realistic shadows like this and preview animation. Nice. So in this time, we can choose this 3D model and go to settings, go to down. We can add material here, but right now we can't see any materials here. Let me show how to add materials. First, go to Creative Cloud. So guys, on Creative Cloud, go to apps and we can see Substance 3D assets. Let's open in browser. And right now we can use all assets here, but for video I will use free assets. Let's choose free. And for example, let's choose materials here. For see only materials, and let's choose this texture. We can click here for get this texture in our computer. Next, let's try this lemon. Okay, also this ground. Okay, in this time, let's go to After Effects and project, right click, import file. We have 3 materials. Let's choose and import. Okay. Right now, choose this cube and go to material settings and click here. And now we can see 3 materials here. First, let's choose lemon. Okay, nice. And choose material again, this ground. Okay, or let's choose black texture. Nice. And let's go to 3D shape layers and create new plane. And let's create plane like this. And let's delete solid layer. Choose this plane and press R, change rotation. Let's write here -90 and move it down. Okay, and let's change some settings. Scale. And let's see. Okay, go to again, let's choose view 1 and choose this texture. Let's move it down and change scale. And move it down. Nice, let's back to active camera. Okay, we can change scale again a little bit and move to up. So right now choose this plane and go to materials and we can choose material here. Let's choose ground texture. Nice, and we can change texture settings for UV mapping. Okay, let's click this icon and change UV for better results. Okay, not bad. And also we can rotate texture and this texture off. Okay, that's good. And let's choose plane and change texture to this black style. Nice. So finally, let's go to here first second and choose this model. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate, press P, choose position keyframes and move to left. And go to mesh type, we can change to sphere. And let's change scale size. Move to down. Let's see. Okay, and go to texture. We can change to lemon. Nice, and choose this model. Let's go to anchor point, and let's move the anchor point to up. Okay, choose this lemon, press P, and choose first position keyframe. Let's move to up, and next keyframes, let's move to up like this. And this keyframe, let's move to down for bounce, and this let's copy paste. Okay, not bad. And we can remove rotation keyframes like this, and select keyframes, move to right for random animation. Nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good day. Good luck.